The focus is the result of our obsession to simplify things, to create the most efficient design possible.
At byFlow, we aim to radically change the food industry as it is today. To really innovate and grow our company, we need to be there at the edge of uncertainty. We're not here to destroy craftsmanship. This printer is a tool for chefs, for bakeries, for caterers and chocolatiers to really bring them to a new dimension. So with this printer, a chef can now make designs which he simply cannot do by hand.
In my restaurant, I use the Focus 3D food printer to create shapes and textures that were never done before. While 3D food printing, I only use fresh ingredients.
I think in these digital times, people are so visual, they want to see something. Bringing 3D food printing to restaurants is a new experience for people.
I really believe that 3D food printing is heading towards everybody's kitchen. From bigger companies to beautiful restaurants to even your home.
As a designer, it's amazing to see something being built up. And it's being built up right before your eyes, layer by layer. I think we're really working on the future here. We wanted to create something which was state of the art. And I think we accomplished that. This is just the beginning, and we are in the forefront of 3D food printing.